Ambassador Jara condemns Israel's move to control Ibrahim Mosque, citing breach of international law. Ambassador Habib TB Jara, the Gambia's acting permanent representative to the Organization of Islamic Conference (OIC), has condemned Israel's recent decision to take control of Ibrahim Mosque in Hebron, describing it as a violation of international agreement and legal conventions. He referenced the Hebron Agreement and the Hague Convention for the Protection of Cultural Property and called on global bodies, including UNESCO and the United Nations, to intervene in defense of religious rights in occupied Palestine territories. Ambassador Jara made the remarks while chairing the extraordinary open-ended meeting of the OIC Executive Committee at the level of permanent representative. The meeting was held on the 22nd of July 2025 at the OIC General Secretariat headquarters in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, under the Gambia's current leadership of the OIC Summit. The session was convened to address what member states described as continued aggression against the Palestinian people. Representatives from OIC members and observer status attended attended the meeting, including delegates from Saudi Arabia, Turkey, Azerbaijan, Cameroon, and Iraq. In his opening statement, Ambassador Jara reiterated Gambia's position in support of Palestinian rights and the protection of religious and cultural heritage in occupied territories. He urged collective diplomatic pressure to prevent further unilateral actions in Hebron and other contested areas. The Gambian delegation also included Mr. Ibu Ndur, Consul General in Jeddah, and Mr. Alaji Jawara, First Secretary for Political and Economic Affairs at the embassy in Riyadh. The session concluded with the adoption of final communique in which member states reaffirmed their shared stance in defense of Palestinian sovereignty and cultural heritage. The communique also called for legal and diplomatic actions to counter measures perceived as undermining international law and multilateral agreement. The meeting was held in the context of African Union's 2025 theme, Justice for Africans and Persons of African Descent through Reparations, with broader implications for the preservation of cultural and religious identity in conflict zones.